The Prophet ﷺ said on the Day of Judgment, the believer who suffered the most hardship and trouble in this life will be brought forth. And I want you to think about this. The person who suffered most amongst the believers. I mean, how much would this person have gone through, right? With their health, with their wealth, with their family. The person who had the most unimaginably difficult life is brought forth from amongst the believers. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, dip him once in Jannah. Just one dip in paradise. And after he is dipped in paradise, he's asked, have you ever seen any hardship? Have you ever suffered any type of trouble? And that person is going to say, I've never seen any hardship. I don't know what you're talking about. I don't know where the trouble is. Why? Because of one dip in paradise. So imagine then the person who has palaces in paradise because of the way that they bore the trials that came to them in this life. And Allah Azza wa Jalla says what? Allah will continue to reward the people of patience without any limits whatsoever. Unlike good deeds, the sabr is rewarded. Patience is rewarded without measure. And the scholars say because Allah knows the ways in which hardship affects us in so many dimensions, often in ways we don't even fully understand. We can't fully connect the way that we've been hurt by something. And that same Lord who knows you is now going to reward you for every part of that trial with all sorts of bounties. And that's from His rahmah, that's from His mercy. And on the Day of Judgment, you're experiencing that mercy so much more.